Kasi pangit yung signal dito. Tsaka daw yung signal. True? Hello guys. Hello. We're just waiting for the Q&A sa event right now. Solo gig si Bakla. I love it. She's the star of the night. Thank you. Thank you so much. Yes. Christmas look. Ito talaga yung prepare ko na Christmas look. Do you live for this? This was custom by a student sa Binilde. I forgot. But she's gonna be tagged soon.
Do you know you can do
when I
this?
post it.
Do you know you can do this? TikTok no? IG.
IG.
Ano, IG.
Yes. Fave ko nung fave ko yan siya. Exactly. Thank you, Taste. Taste yan, Taste. Bigyan mo ko ng rings. Perfect talaga. The nails that I modeled matches the stuff that I prepared for Christmas. Sabi ko kasi mag-Christmas look. Ito sa Christmas look. Meron pa siyang jacket situation. Pero I don't wanna feel hot. Because I'm already wet.
Hindi na siya so good.
Charis.
Try mo niyo.
Thank you. Just kayo sa far away para makita niyo.
This one.
What's that?
Coconut. Yan naman to.
It's giving. Merry Christmas. Yung Christmas look ng atake ng bako ano. Hello, my love. Thank you. Thank you so much. Hello, my loves. Naghihintay lang ako ng meet and greet. We just finished meet and greet. Tapos mag-Q&A na ng kung anik-anik.
Tapos sila, ito nila.
Separate gig ako sa mga bakla today. Nakakainis. But we're happy we're here. High fashion. It's giving high fashion. Thank you. Hindi naman siya high fashion. It's just... I wouldn't say high fashion. I would say... editorial. I think. Ang ganda ng sparkle ng glasses. Give ko. Taste. Thank you. Lahat ng baklaan dun sa sa Drag in the South. Ako lang nag-separate gig talaga. Wow. The shades, I know. Get into it. Miss Elphaba, get into it. Girl, your video is so kind. Lawrence. With Janyo, so good. Y'all ate that. Mama, y'all ate that shit. Di ba mabigat yung shades? Sobrang bigat. Honestly. Parang mag-headache ako while using this. Pero, she gotta suffer for the look. But let's get into the eye situation. Yes. Nag-makeup ako underneath. I'm not that lazy. Yep. Patingin ng eye makeup. Yun lang. That's the tea. Yes. Naka-Christmas din yung atake ng mata ko today. Yes. But I prefer to have shades. Wala lang. Kasi ang ganda ng shades, it matches the nails. Ano ba? Black is out, red is white. How to be you, girl? Why do you wanna be me? Hello. Thank you. It's giving Wicked eye makeup. Really? Ay, oo nga. Sabi din nila parang Wicked. But it's Christmas. But I see why you said na parang Wicked. It's red though. Hindi lang siya super red. Thank you. The hat. Get into it. I love this. Pero sobrang mahal. I cannot. the nails. You live. I'll be posting the look next week. Y'all might have seen the look sa... Saan ba? On my story last time. But it's like super far away. So parang... Pero wala siyang hat. Nakakainis. Wala naman akong photo na maayos. So, here we are. Red is your color, I believe. I know! Red is such a fierce color. Parang pag nakita mo yung tao na naka-red, you're like super intimidated yung atake. Obsessed with the look. Thank you. Do y'all wanna see the full look? Do y'all wanna see? I mean, it's not that cunty, but good enough. Thank you. Simple lang yung look ko today. Pero may mga accents lang of glamour, editorial. We're gonna serve model and Vogue today. Because I'm not gonna accept that I'm not gonna be in Vogue soon. Can see, they all wanna see the look. Photoshoot with the fit, please. So yung atake. It's just a simple look. Get it. Yun lang. Yun na yun. Simple lang yung may pajamas na atake. Thank you. Cynthia Erivo. Kasafitma. I see the vision. I see the vision. I see it. Kasi parang ganito yung styling niya, no? Hot, nails na mahaba. I see it. ASMR ako. Ang ingay ni Chapel Roan. Wow. You look like Willy Wonka. Like a cunty Willy Wonka. I'll take it. It looks so well on you. Thank you. Bitches is so good though. With this look. Oh my god. Hindi talaga mag-slant. Wow. Tagal ko gusto ng hat ng mga malalaki. But this is too small for me. Gusto ko sobrang okay. Post ka na. Next week pa to yung look na to. Next week pa to siya. But not with this ensemble. Kasi iba yung styling. It's such a serve. Thank you. Girl, ang ganda ng... Mag-screenshot na lang talaga ako. Tapos ito yung ipopost ko. Napipig ko na. Ano daw? Thank you. You're too good to be true. I know. Kaya sinabi ko, I'm the concept, the myth, the legend, the icon. What do you mean? Hindi kayo nakikinig sa Meet the Queen. That hat is low-key Kate Middleton vibes. I know. She's just very demure, very classy. You know, just simple girl. Oh my God, yung buko lumalabas dito. Anong oras na ba? Josh? Can you fix
The hair.
Lumalabas yung layers ko sa buhok ko. Buti na lang di ako nag-wig. Post ka dali. Wait long. Ito na. Post daw. Yung mga pang profile picture. Yung lang na wait.
And of course, Maya. Yeah, thank you.
Magsa-start
Thank you
na
so much,
tayo,
Maya. And of
yes.
course, for our media
Yes.
partners,
I'm gonna end this
Manila.com
live.
and Together Manila.
Or-
and of course, for our venue, the Stilo Studio.
I don't know.
And of course, guys,
Sana
for
po,
the
I'm in
SCC
Poblacion,
organizers for
Makati.
coming up with such an idea
Solo gig
of
si Bakla.
events theme,
Meet and greet and
So,
Q&As.
I can see that we have a new crowd here. So let's walk around and ask kung sino yung familiar kay Chaperone. Yeah, sino ang familiar kay Chaperone?
Mag-e-end na
Raise
tayo.
your hand.
Bye.
I can see here.
I think I'm gonna go out in a bit.
Nilag akong nakita dito.
Kunwari di
Maganda yung outfit
kami
niya. Hello.
nagkita
Hi,
kanina.
Miss. Hi, good evening. I'm Miss Am. I would like to ask you for some
Bye.
And
Thank